Okay, there's no belt on the engine as far as the belt's not on the thing. So the car's running and there's no noise at all. The rust right there is coming near the power steering pump. Power steering pump has to be replaced first. I gotta do the power steering pump. There's no running around that. That rust is coming from the power steering pump. There's gotta be something going wrong with that pump. We gotta do that first. Alright. Clear as day, you can see the rust coming from that. That's the power steering pump. It's not making no noise right now, no knocking. Done deal.